Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and I am such a fan of Le Creuset, and I was so excited that I was able to have these dinner plates for my kitchen. The beauty and the quality of Le Creuset is outstanding, and I love this oyster color. It's so neutral, and the plates are just so substantial. I like the simple elegance of the bevel-like edge, and it has almost an ombre look to it. There's also plenty of space on the plate for your food, and they're even dishwasher safe, so they're really easy to care for. I just love the everyday elegance of these Le Creuset stoneware dinner plates. They're beautiful, they're easy to care for, and I love having them in my kitchen. And that's my point of view.